grab your hook, grab your yarn, and learn how to make a magic ring. So putting your hook down for a moment, you're going to find the tail end of your yarn. You're going to place your hand down on the table, and we just need 3 fingers. You're going to drape that piece of yarn over your 3 fingers and grab hold of it. You're then going to wrap the yarn around these 3 fingers, but you're going to cross it over. Then when you go back up to this side, you will have the first wrap of yarn and the second wrap of yarn. You're going to grab your hook now. You're going to place it under that first wrap of yarn, over the second one, and you're going to grab that second one and pull it underneath the first one. You're then going to push your hook all the way through and bring it round so that your hook is back at the top. You're then going to grab that second wrap of yarn again and pull it through that loop that you have made on your hook. Now you have a magic ring. So if you pull on this tail here, your ring will get smaller. Equally, you can pop your fingers into the ring and you can loosen things up again if needed. You now, if I can just grab my tension, can work whatever stitches you need to into your magic ring and crack on with your project. I hope this has helped. Enjoy!